Yo, what's up? My name is Nadra Claire Assad. That's me. And my student ID is 2265302. So I did the third designated sequence. This is my crib sheet, 1 page front and back. Here is my next state table. Take a peek at that. I will be posting this with this video, so this is my next state equation. These are my K-maps, and these are the equations that go with my K-maps. This is also my reference. These are my predictions, which I'll talk about after the circuit diagram, which is important. Circuit diagram, this is the timing diagram to show that my stuff actually works. This is for my reference once again. And for the unused states, my predictions, I'm going to be doing the unused state 001 and the unused state 111. So for the unused state 001, I predict that the next state will be 011, and I got that from the next state equations. And then for the unused state 111, I predict that the next state will be 001. And to show this, I will be using the clear and set pins of each D flip-flop, and each one is connected to a one of the switches. And yeah, so right now I have nothing connected except for resistors and ground and power, and these are all grounded. Those are all pull-up resistors. And then there's resistors down here. All of the resistors are 1 kilo ohm. And then I have 3 LEDs down there. The yellow one you couldn't see it very well, so I just shifted it. Yeah, and so I have 5 volts going through all the rails, ground going through all the rails, and I will be powering it using a square signal from my Arduino, which is a 5-line code. Yeah, really big craziness. Anyway, alright, I'm gonna get started. track of what I just did. Pin 5 goes to pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 12, 3, 7, 4, 8, 08. Pin 2, pin 12, pin 9 goes to 10, 8, 9, 10, yep, and 13, 11, 12, 13, yep, perfect. Alright, so those ones look set up. And then for the second chip, have pin 8 connected to pins 4, 4, and 9. And then pin 9 goes to pin 1 of these 7408. Now that should be, this is this is B prime C, right? B prime C, yep, that'll be for QC. So B prime C is up there. The one over here is going to be BA. Okay, so QC is pretty much done. And then right here is BC prime. Yep, okay, so the logic's good there. And then QB is connected to B prime. Alright, now I have to fix my OR gates. And then it should be, what is this? This is C, B prime, so B prime C. Should go with, wait, yeah, that is B prime C, right? Yeah, cool. B prime C. Right there. Now it's B prime C. And then we need AB, which AB is right there. Wait a minute. That is C prime A. And this is C B prime. Wait. Yeah, AC prime. Okay, then I'm geeked. I am losing my mind. Okay. Pin 11. That is C AC. Wait, there is no AC. What? It should be AC prime. AC prime is number 6. Yeah. AC prime. Or BC prime. Oh. Pin 3 should go to pin 10. It's taking me a really long time for no reason. I've already done this multiple times. That's crazy. And then pin 8, 9, 10, 11 should go to pin 9. Right. Oh, this is B. I've been reading B as C this entire time. Okay. So this is AB. This is C. This is B, C. So B. Oh, well, that should be B prime. Oh, wait, it is B prime. I'm losing it. Wow. Okay, I need to chill out for a second. Okay, and then pin 6 to pin 4. That would be AC prime. So then AC prime needs to go with BC prime. So pin 8. So that would have to be BC prime, yeah. So that's B, and then that is C prime. Okay, cool. So my logic is right there. And then I put that in pin 5. Okay. And then I got all my green ones ready. That's a lot of them. I got 2 packs of DLD equipment because I dropped it last semester. And I forgot I had my one from last semester, so I thought I lost it when I found it. Sorry to I should have given one away, but I didn't know anyone this semester. My fault. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bruh, come on. 6. 7. Wait, 6, pin 2. I'll put that actually closer because I'm going to be plugging in to the other. And pin 12. No, pin 8 to pin 12. Yeah, I was going to say that does not sound right. I don't think I would write that. Eight, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. And then what I need to do is connect my clock. Actually, I should do it first. No. Yeah. Let me get my clocks. 11. Okay, so my clocks are ready whenever I plug in my clock. And now I have to plug in my other stuff. Yeah. Oops. I think one issue I keep having is my resistors keep touching. I'm trying not to, make sure that they're okay. It's kind of hard to see sometimes. It's because they're super close together when you have them on, like, the switches. Because all the switches are literally just one block apart. Okay. 8, 9. Okay, 8, 9, 10. Why is this unplugged? Why are you getting unplugged? You're not that far away. You're right there. Oh, actually, you're not right there. What? Okay, it's fine. It'll get over it. I don't like that. That's too long. That's orange. Don't have an. Oh, I do have an orange. Oh, that's a red. Feel colorblind. Oh, I have a yellow. I can use yellow here. Yellow's fire. Oh, that one's like brand new. Never touched it before, I guess. Don't know why I showed you. My bad. You guys are my goats, by the way. It's very sweet of you guys to let me do this online. I know you guys have finals, which is part of why I asked. It's like annoying if you have to set aside a full hour. Adam. Sorry, my dad is yelling, or my mom is yelling. That is not my dad.
And I was gonna make more.
And then
I'm making more.
8
that was like the tail.
goes into. Yeah, but as I was saying, like, especially during finals week, I thought it would be like not the worst idea to suggest it, because you know y'all are in harder classes than I am at this point, you know. I will say EM was quite hard. EM was a little difficult, I will say. But he accidentally released grades, but like he accidentally released a spreadsheet and it had everyone's grades and their letter grade, and someone with a 36.3 had a C minus. Yeah, crazy stuff, insane stuff. Okay, my switches are done, and now I just have to connect my stuff to... I think I'm just gonna do this. Actually, no, I'm not. Sorry, my brother started playing music. I told them beforehand that I'd be recording, but no one cares. Really, no one cares for some reason. Yeah, that's only 7% of my grade, I swear. I swear I don't need it. I feel blind. My eyes are crossing. Sorry, something keeps unplugging. And then this goes to 8, 9. There we go. And then I need to connect plus 5 volts ground here. Okay, let me just a quick overview, making sure stuff is okay. Wait a minute. Okay. And now I'm going to plug in my Arduino. 0, 0. Okay. Let me just take a peek. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. What? Okay, my last thing isn't getting powered. Oh, went away. There we go. Okay. So, let me take you for a little bit of a trip right now. Sorry, my desk is a big mess right now. I just want to make sure you guys can see. So, goes 0, 0, 0 to 0, 1, 0 to 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, back to 0, 0, 0. And now the state that I wanted to first force it to is 0, 0, 1. So to do that, okay, this is gonna be really difficult. Sorry, I need to like sit up for a sec. Okay, so I want to force it to 0, 0, 1, which is not in my circuit. So in order to do that, I will have to set my first and second flip-flops to clear. And then, so let me just, let me prepare myself. Okay, so it goes clear, set, clear, set, and then yellow is clear and then set. So my resistors are set up so it's by A, or not my resistors, my switch is set up so it's A, then B, then C. Okay, so to set the first one to clear, And then the second one goes to clear N. And then the third one gets put to pre-N. So, right now, it is at that exact state. So you see 0, 0, 1, and I have my switch here. I really hope you guys can see that. I can't see because it's on a front-facing camera. But yeah, so I have it as clear, then nothing, then clear, nothing, and then pre-N. So this is my A, then B, then C. And here is that. And in order to see what happens next, we are going to have to release this all at once. So I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Okay, okay. All right, this is gonna kill me. So I'm trying to see how I can do this for you. My desk's a mess. I'm lucky geeking. Okay, okay, we're gonna do this. So, I'm so sorry. I'm being so, like, unintuitive with this. I'm gonna move all of this and move you over here. Sorry, I haven't made it this far yet. So then you're gonna go there. And then I'm gonna turn off my light so you can see exactly what's going on. So whenever I release all of these, you're gonna see what the next state will be. So I am going to go ahead and it goes to 0, 1, 1. My prediction was 0, 1, 1. That was right. And now, I'm gonna turn the light back on. It's now going back in order. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, blah. That's actually a really good angle. I like that. You're gonna stay there. Okay, so then I'm gonna force it to 1, 1, 1. And then that would mean that I set everything to pre-N, 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 pre-N. Is that right? Yeah. So, as you can see, green, yellow, red. I really like the fact that I chose different colors. Oh my god, it looks scary. Yeah, I chose different colors for this, so you can see it better. And then, when we release them all at once, it goes to 0, 0, 1, which my prediction was 0, 0, 1. Dang, I was spot on with my predictions. Who knew that logic was logical? Okay, and that is it. And I don't think there was anything else that I had to do in this demo or this lab final. I showed you my circuit pinout, showed you my diagram, or not my pinout, my diagram, next state diagram, circuit diagram, next state table, K-maps. And yeah, here is me taking it apart now. I'm gonna unplug it first. And I'll put my code as well, just in case you guys are worried I spoofed it. I don't know. Actually, that doesn't even make sense. I don't know. I'll put it there anyway. Okay. my nails, I'm not gonna lie. That's a very girlish thing to complain about, but like, come on. I'm gonna point at any of them. These are my favorite things to use for doing any circuit, by the way. Like, it's so meta. Like, this is so tech, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like I shouldn't even be taking these out on camera. Like, these are just the stupidest things to take out. But, you know, they just take up so much space. They're on the board, so I should take it out anyway. Completely clean the board. Alright, so that was my lab final experiment. This is completely clean, and thank you guys so much for letting me do this. This was very, very sweet of you guys. As just like a last like visual of what I have on here, I'm gonna just like go ahead and move it here, but thank you guys so much. It's very, very kind of you. Like, I genuinely appreciate it, and I hope that the university gives you guys raises. So just back as my overview of what I did. This is still me. This is me, that's me. Yeah. I hope you guys can see that. It looks like you can. And then on the back, I still have my diagram, my pin out diagram. This was for my reference, my little thing that I did here. This is just like for my switches. Yeah, thank you guys so much. This was very, very kind of you. Bye.